whatever. Can't be mad not playing my main. Alright, here we go. He's starting on Sheik again. Wait, what's going on? Who's playing? Oh, that's right. I forgot Puppy plays Sheik. Now, my Sheik wasn't able to finish the job against Spongy, although it was close. It was one stock. So we'll see what happens. Yep. Cannot be that close. Alright, cleans it up. Oh, if he got that second up air, that's fucking money. Oh, that dash attack was greedy. The needle's a bit too early. Good nair to shield. It's a good counter to double lasers. Yeah, and he's dead. It seems to be the theme with the Falcos today, is they like fighting out of the corner and then getting shit on for it. Oh, man. Spongy's punish game is really good. Like that? See, how the fuck would you know how to do that? Like the jab, the soft bear. I wouldn't have done that shit. Good grab. Oh, a little bit of lag. Oh, this is... No está bueno. What is happening? Oh no, this looks better. Okay. Yeah, honestly, this matchup is... I feel like people will say like, oh, she just has to tech chase. It's like, not I mean, yes, that obviously is going to be a huge factor in the matchup. But if anything, I feel like if the Sheik is landing hard like strong up airs, if the Sheik is hitting strong up airs, I think Sheik wins. If Sheik doesn't hit strong up airs, she has a lot harder time. And that dash tag, good DI on that. Well, he full hop backers by mistake. Oh, and he whiffs that. He really wants the kill now. Spongy knows it, so he's just going to keep, waiting for the... Okay, that works. Still a close game. Down tilt, not quite the death yet. Oh, the needles. That ends up working. Oh, the F tilt doesn't knock down. Yeah, dead. Yeah, the F tilt, even if it anti-airs him, it doesn't... You're minus off of it, so... Spongy takes the first game. Okay, Fountain? Alright, yeah, that's a normal counter pick. Oh, that's tough. Yeah, you don't shield grab that. You can't shield grab that. Okay. I didn't see how that played out. I was answering a text. Got the Falco chance? Is that what I'm hearing? Sheik coming or something? Yeah, he... Roll off respawn. Be like that. So whenever Puppy does the full... Whenever he does a nair, it ends up being a full hop. I think Spongy probably knows. Ooh. He gets that. God damn. Jesus. Spongy's punish game's crazy. That was a good down tilt. Oh. I feel like Puppy's neutral is pretty solid with this character. There's just like a few optimizations, you know? Oh yeah, he kind of just let him back. Yeah, that's not gonna... The weak high downer is gonna be minus and he'll get down smashed for it. See, and he's minus for that nair as well. This is really tough for Sheik at this moment if she can't get a grab. Okay, this is perfect. That's exactly what Puppy needed. Oh, I don't know about that back air. Oh, shit. He could have gone off. Oh, man. I think Spongy has this now. Yeah, this is Spongy's game. Damn. Yeah, you can just kind of tell. I think he wants to win too bad. Puppy, I mean. You get a lead or get a good position against a good player and you start to do dumb shit. Well, not dumb shit, but high risk, low reward shit. This is a wave dash out of shield. I haven't seen him do a lot of those. Puppy, I mean. Oh shit. Down smash. So Puppy converted off like one edge guard earlier. Oh man, that F tilt. Yeah, that'll do it with no jump. Oh, he did have a jump. Okay. Just barely grabs the edge. Oh shit. That's like 2 mistakes he made there. But it worked out. Okay. See, when I'm watching characters that I don't play, it's easier to call out the good shit they're doing than it is the bad shit. That's just like the way my brain works. Gotta work on it. That's a good nair right there. Oh man, I hate those down smashes. And that air dodge kind of sucks too. And that's a death. Yep, just roll up. Oh, the boost grab just barely misses. Nino protects him, but he still gets the ledge grab. Oh man, good trade. That's a really solid trade. See, those strong up airs, if he connects more of those, he wins. Trust. It's just so hard. The better anti-air in this matchup is back air. And it's over. Pretty much over. Yep. GG's. Spongy wins 3-0 versus Puppy.